Hey, what's up guys? This is Jerry bringing you another video. So on this episode we're going to talk about protecting your car. So as you can see, there's like holes there for the seats where they go, and when I load appliances or any other scrap metal, they get stuck in those holes. So what I did before, and I'm doing again, the other carpet got all dirty, but now I found another one, and I just trim it, and it needs a little bit of more work, but for right now it's gonna do. Plus it's getting dark. It's like 7:30. Around 8 it gets real dark, and I'm gonna go scrapping today. Today's trash day. So I trimmed that from the sides, and then I trimmed this because it was pretty long. And like I said, I'm gonna trim it in the future a little bit better, but for right now this is gonna work. And when I put like an appliance, like a let's see, a refrigerator, I just lay it down and then it can slide smoothly because there's no friction. Without that, there's like hard plastic there, and there's a lot of friction. Plus the hose, washers and dryers, they slide pretty smooth. So it's just a little technique that I learned. Like I know a bunch of y'all scrap with SUVs, so go ahead and do this. This works real nice. And this carpet I found for free, so you can't beat that. You can't beat free. And this is a nice pair of scissors that I bought I think in Home Depot, Lowe's, and they cut like butter, real smooth. Or you use a sharp knife, whatever you use, go ahead. But this is how I'm gonna do it today. Alright guys, let's go scrapping then. Hopefully I can find lots of good stuff.